The Canon EOS R was Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera, and it was widely popular among fans. Recently, some rumors have been surfacing about the EOS R's successor, EOS R8. Now, is there any truth to these rumors? Let's find out. When Canon discontinued the EOS RA and EOS RP was released as the most affordable and popular alternative, many people thought there would be no direct replacement for the EOS R. But recently, the Chinese social media Weibo shared that prototypes are already at work and it'll be named Canon EOS R8, not EOS Mark II. According to Canon rumors, R2 will have a 30.3 megapixel non-stack sensor. It'll come with the Digic-X processor and will be able to record 4K at 60 FPS with crop and 30 FPS with no crop. The R8 will be able to shoot continuously at 12 FPS. It'll have 5-axis stabilization and full pixel dual-core autofocus. A dual SD/CF Express card slot design will also be integrated with the system. Now, let's discuss whether these rumors are believable or not. Canon released the EOS R6 in 2022 and its successor, the R6 Mark II, is coming very soon. Canon announced the EOS R in 2018 alongside the Nikon Z6 and Z7 cameras. Nikon updated the Z series with the Z6 II and Z7 II in 2020, and they're planning to bring out the Z6 III and Z7 III in 2022 or in the first half of 2023. So why was there no EOS R successor, and where does the Canon EOS R8 fit in the current market? If we check the price range, EOS RP was $999 and EOS R6 was $2,500. So Canon will have to keep the price lower than the R6 and R6 Mark II but higher than the RP. If that's the case, then we don't think IBIS or CF Express dual slots are going to be in the R8. And it's not logical to put dual CF Express SD slots on a camera that can't even do uncropped 4K 60p. Canon has been using its 30MP sensor since the 5D Mark IV and the Digic-X processor since the 1DX Mark III. With that, why would they put these with some new features in the R8 when all the bigger and better upgrades are going to be in their upcoming EOS R6 Mark II? That doesn't make sense. There are no known sources or validations for CR1 or Level 1 rumors, so at this point, no one can confirm or deny the features, and we don't expect anything soon. But if the rumors and specs are true, then it'll be exciting to see where the R8 will fit into Canon's lineup. So, that was all about the Canon EOS R8 rumors. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.